Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Joy app. Want to connect with new people through video chat? The Joy app lets you instantly video chat with strangers from around the world. First, download Joy from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap Start. Enter your name, birthday, gender, and who you're interested in connecting with. At this stage, you might take a moment to think about your preferences, adjust your details, explore the interface, read simple prompts, feel curious, get comfortable, and understand how the app works before moving forward. You can add a profile picture or skip it for now. Joy needs access to your camera and microphone for video chats, so allow these permissions when prompted. This is necessary for the app to function properly. Now you're ready to chat. Tap the Start button, and Joy will connect you with a random person. Before the chat begins, there is a blurring filter for privacy. If you both accept, the video call starts. If you're not feeling it, just tap Next to find someone else. When narrowing down your matches, Joy lets you filter by gender. Keep in mind that using specific filters may require coins, which are Joy's in-app currency. During a call, you can also send text messages. Joy has a cool auto translation feature, so you can chat with people even if you don't speak the same language. Just type in your language, and it's translated for the other person instantly, making conversations smoother and more enjoyable. Your privacy is important. Joy starts chats with a blurring filter, and your location isn't fully shared. Always be mindful of what you share during video calls. If someone is behaving inappropriately, use the reporting features to let Joy know. That's it. You're ready to start connecting with people on Joy. Have fun, be respectful, and enjoy meeting new people. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.